Well, duplication, or do as I say. When you guys were growing up as kids, did you ever have your mom or dad? You're kind of doing things you're not supposed to do, and you get in trouble, and your dad or mom says, "Now look, do as I say." And you're like, should I duplicate like live good, or should I copy? Because when you're in school, you're not supposed to copy. Okay. Duplicate. Boy, I live here in Utah. It seems like a lot of young folks, they like to duplicate. And that means duplicate us human beings. All right. So by the time an average person here in Utah is 16 to 20, they have 14 kids. They're duplicating. Okay. Is that reproducing? They're reproduplicating. Okay. But copy. I like when people copy what I do and live good. Okay. I want you to duplicate. I've made this kind of easy at this point after a year and a half. Okay. And I like to show you how I make multiple streams of income. And I don't know if Live Good is the bait, but it's such a cool company. It's so affordable. Guys, most people, and if you're watching my video, you probably agree, you have $9.95 a month. You have a $40 bill. Maybe you got two 20s. Maybe you got four little $10 bills. But if you invest $40 and be an affiliate, okay, you're done. One and done. Cool. Now you just got to be a member. That's all. So if you're on a budget, do $9.95 a month. If you want to join for the year, if you got $100, you get 12 months for the price of 10, and you get 5 cents back. Isn't that amazing? Because it's $99.95. Guys, 5 cents back. That'll make you smile. I'm smiling right now, and I wear a pink Chevy hat and a Kiss t-shirt I bought at Walmart. And I think I got it for like $20. What a deal. But the $40 deal, that is pretty cool. Okay. I think that if you get in your mind the word copy because you want to duplicate, you want to make things simple, all right, I think that'll make you smile because you're not going to be left alone. Not if you join my group and live good. Okay. I'm a talker. I'm a chatty little boy that's now almost 60 in my Santa beard. I just trimmed it a little bit. Okay. I'm rocking the Kenny Rogers, Colonel Sanders, Santa Claus beard, but I don't get it all big and bushy like all the baseball players. You know, they all grow it like a foot. And I'm worried that I'm eating in like a chicken McNugget or something I ate last week might be stuck in my beard. I trim it a little bit. Is that Manscaped where you get a little razor and you just kind of zap it so it's all kind of one length? That's what I did so I look nice and pretty for you folks in my videos. Okay. But you don't have to duplicate or copy what I do in my video. You don't even have to do any video. Okay. Some of our highest paid people in Live Good, you won't even find them. You can't even find their name because they operate like Dynamics Marketing or Energy Systems or you're like, well, who owns that? Okay. And they don't even have a video or nothing, but well, gosh darn, you look on the leaderboard and you see these names and you're like, okay, I don't know who they are, but they're doing well. And if you see someone like myself, I kind of brand myself. And that doesn't mean I drop my drawers and get a hot iron and stick something on one of my little juicy butt cheeks, although that would be kind of fun. Maybe a spanking. But I don't want to be branded like the OK Corral on one of my butt cheeks. Branding to me, and if you look up the definition of what that might be if you're in the online biz, it's just where if I say the name Cory Draper, you're like, okay, I remember that guy. Let's just go to CoryDraper.com, see what he's got going on. So that's what I did. I bought CoryDraper.com actually about, 30 years ago, long time. And when you go there, you can click certain things. This video is relating to Live Good, but you're going to see a handful of other businesses that I have that complement Live Good. Okay. And what I mean by that is you join Live Good. It's a new company. It's barely 2 years old, but it needs eyeballs, marketing. It needs people to click. In my case, I love when people click joincory.com. Okay. Goes to a Live Good video that's 6 minutes. And if you want more information, put your name and email address in. You'll get one email from Live Good for 30 days. Or you can opt out. And obviously, when you put your name and email address in, you're going to get an email. And if you want to join, just look at your Live Good email, go halfway down and you'll see a link where you can just join. Get a username, password set up. If you want to use, let's say, a Visa or a debit card, credit card. We even accept cryptocurrency. Is it BitPay, iPayout? You guys will figure it out. And you can always get with support at livegood.com. You can get a hold of them. You don't even need to be a member or an affiliate. But if you have a really important question about, I live in this country and this is my payment, ask support. They really know what's going on. Okay, when it comes to credit card processing or Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, we'll work it out. We know it's almost 2025, basically in about a month. All right, so technology, it's hauling butt. And it's just not a Visa or MasterCard world anymore. There's a lot of ways that we need to make it easy for you to pay, especially since our biggest downlines are being built in Asia. All right, Pakistan, India, let's just say China, Malaysia, South Korea is kicking buns, but so's our friends over down under in Australia, New Guinea, New Zealand. All right, below me is good old Mexico, and above is Canada. All right, but UK is doing awesome. I think we have a big distribution center being built in Germany right now as I speak. November, just to be exact, it's November 27th of 2024 as I produce this video. So you might be watching this 6 months or a year down the road, but I like to listen to our company meetings that Live Good hosts every Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Friday is where Ben, our CEO, and basically the 4 founders that created Live Good, they just have an hour-long session and just talk about what products are coming out, how many products are being sold here, there. People that rank, when you get a couple people, you go to bronze. Get 10 people, you can go to silver, to gold, to platinum, to diamond. There's multiple pay. All right, we're not a traditional MLM. That's why I'm in Live Good. If you had to buy products, like let's say $200 of products on auto ship each month, so I can get a $200 commission, spend $200 to get $200. But in my opinion, quote, a lot of those old, and they're just, it's not that they're dated, but they are, because most traditional MLMs are based upon 1934 Amway, 60s, 70s with Tupperware. Okay. You guys have heard of probably Mary Kay, Avon. In my age group, you just cringe. But Amway is probably the biggest. They're crazy huge. All right. They got this MLM thing going, but we're 2 years old and we're kind of the un-MLM. All right. We're almost W. We're not MLM. We're like W. Just picture MLM upside down with their legs up. That's why I joined. Because if we had to buy products, especially retail priced, in order to get commissions, I wouldn't be in Live Good as an affiliate. I would buy the products. That's how I actually found out about Live Good. I was buying the products just as a customer. When I became a member for $10 a month, I started saving about 40 by spending 10. Okay. So being a member for $10 a month to save 40 sounds good to me. I'll put that 30, 40 bucks in my pocket and buy crazy stuff like Hot Wheels and put it on my walls. Okay. I became an affiliate. All right. Months and months later. And I did it almost not to make somebody that kept asking me, do I want to be an affiliate quiet? But it's on that realm. Okay, it's right. That's about 99%. I'm just wording it nice. But when I became an affiliate, I thought, okay, it's 40 bucks. I'm not an affiliate marketer. I'm not a direct marketer. I can't stand multi-pay, multi-level this. I'm a smart ass. Give me a microphone. I'm good at radio, voiceover work. I've owned 4 nightclubs. All right. I've had a trucking business. I've done a lot of things, but online success, I read about it. And if you're like me, I think that 90% of all the videos I see about making money, people are bullcrapping. They're faking it to make it. Okay. I have to fake it. I'm faking it right now. All right. Because I'm trying to get a date for Thanksgiving. So I'm trying to fake it so I can make something, but it's not working out. I'm by myself in a studio right now talking to you fine folks. But you don't have to fake to make. Not with Live Good. You just don't. Be yourself. Be humble. Be nice. Be in a bad mood, good mood. Just tell people to go to a link, click it, and watch the video. In my case, let me just show you one more time. I bought CoryDraper.com, but you can also just go to joincory.com. You can go to joincorynow.com, workwithcory.com. There's a lot of domains you can buy. I prefer GoDaddy because they have live 24-hour human customer support. And I buy these domains if they're open. It's $11.99. That's as much as you'll ever pay. And they always have coupons that give you $2, $3, $4 off. So you'll get a new domain anywhere from $8 to $11, give or take, a couple pennies. Okay. Do you need a hosted website? No. LiveGood already has a really nice website. It has all the products, has customer support. It's got credit card processing, how to return. When you join LiveGood, it's already in turnkey mode. Okay, they're already doing 15 million a month. There's already 1.6 million people that have joined. Happy birthday, December 12th, 2024, by the way, just a couple weeks away. But we're on course to have 2 million people in the company in just a little over 2 years, and that's record breaking. We already had 1 million in 1 year. To do 2 million in 2 years, it's awesome. But we're still packing in a couple thousand people per day. We average, according to what Ben and our customer support tell us, we have hundreds of people a day joining, but it adds up almost to about 60,000 people per month. Okay, that's awesome, and that's worldwide. We're not saturated, guys. LiveGood takes up 0.0000001% of income being made online, especially if you just target us in the MLM category or affiliate marketing, realm. But I think if you look into it, you're going to like what you see, and it's so darn affordable. It is not a cash grab. This is not take the money and run. This is just relax, get good at just inviting people to a link. In my case, joincory.com. Let the videos do the recruiting and talk about the products. And like I said, go to support@livegood.com if you have any questions about the company. Maybe it's about shipping or handling or how to process your form of payment. And me, I'll help you whatever I can with marketing. Okay? I'll show you exactly what I do every single day. No matter what, I try to do the same thing every day. Just he who posts the most, she who posts the most, will probably boast about maybe buying toast and making some nice cha-ching. Okay? Because I think it's a numbers game. And if you make it fun, those numbers will come in and you'll smile. Those deposits are nice, but it's also kind of fun to do a smart-ass post or maybe a little video like this. Get good at emailing people like they're your friends and not trying to recruit or sell people stuff. Just relax, chill, take that chill pill, okay? There's no rush with LiveGood. Take your time, think about it. If you're watching my videos or this is your first time, just relax. You don't have to hustle and bustle and only sleep an hour a night and scream and yell, oh my gosh, join LiveGood or my head's going to fall off. Just relax. Because how you promote and recruit, like what I'm doing now, it seems to work for me. Do some video if you'd like. If not, let's get you emailing. Let's get you maybe posting real cool on social media so it's kind of fun and sexy and people, they're interested. They're like, well, what's going on? Let's click that link and see what Cory's talking about. Okay, that's all you got to do. Mission accomplished, because the videos will take over. If people sign up, they're going to be smiling. And I hope that they buy the products. Okay, just like I went to Walmart and bought this t-shirt. All right, it was probably made for 50 cents. But man, I bought it for 20. But we're not a retail-based focused company. We'll live good for that $10 a month when you go to livegood.com. And guys, go there right now. Check out LiveGood. Okay, look at all the products. And then go to the FAQ section and go down to the pay plan, affiliate pay plan section. There's a video, pretty girl at the bottom of that web page. But look up the pay plan, look up the FAQ, and obviously look at the products. Those are the only 3 tabs, okay, for you to make a really good decision about. I'm on board. I've got $10 a month. Let's do it. Okay. All right, folks. You should always end your videos like this. Call to action. And all I can ask you to do is just, go to joincory.com and see if it's something you like. Okay? Cory@corydraper.com is my email. If we need to talk on the phone, we can. And I'm easy to find on Facebook as well. Just inbox me there. But it's got to be related to LiveGood, okay? Peace and love. Okay, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And right now it's Thanksgiving time here as I produce this video. So have a happy little Thanksgiving. Eat and drink and be merry and be kind to people. And we'll see about another 1,000 videos, okay? Take care, guys. We'll see you soon.